I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here at Ensign Equipment. I got a short options video to show you real quick about light screens. Right behind me actually. A lot of times we've got container dumper applications where we're dumping material into gaylords, maybe we're dumping into stainless steel hoppers or some other vessel. And we want to prevent operators from being able to get in the way of the material or get in the way of the dumper. Or maybe we want to prevent operators from having any type of contaminant drop into the hopper. So what we can provide you actually is a four-sided, well, I guess it'd be three-sided light screen assembly. We've got a sender and a receiver module and a couple of mirrors that give a nice three-sided perimeter guarding above the hopper to prevent any operators from getting any harm or getting any contaminants into your material stream. So just a nice little option maybe you want to add on to your next container dumping application. I hope this video brought you some value. If you've got any questions, please reach out to your sales engineer or contact us directly at sales@ensigneq.com. Thanks. Catch you in the next one.